Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. And today we are discussing about an very important things. The three things that makes your thesis effective thesis topic. Why effective thesis topic? Because students that's very ambiguous topic we are studying on our daily basis. If you are selecting topic, you are already going so for literature review for selecting your problem or topic. You must know these things to make your thesis topic a well effective. And when these things added in your thesis topic would become more effective, and your supervisor would very happy to see after your watching your or seeing your thesis topic. So what are those three things which makes our thesis more effective? Let's go to next slide. The first one is research design. Which research design you would follow? Either you would go for a correlation research, you go to a causal comparative search, you go to experimental search. The specific verb, the specific action verb tell us which research design you opt for your study, for your research, for your thesis, right? The next most important thing is variables of interest, because your problem if have some specific kind of name, which when in research that variable that your problem is called we called variable of interest, right? And the last one is the population of research, the most important. Some students missing the first and third part and only write variables of interest. No, this is such topic your search of is so ambiguous, so poor written. So you must include these three things. First, research design, which research type you would choose for your study. Then population, where you collect your data, right? And the variable of interest you should well aware, because you just write about variable of interest. So I will show you an example about how uh, your topic would be effective after adding these things, right? Was blue shows research design, purple shows variables of interest, and the choky pink color show that the population of your study. First topic is a relationship study on transaction leadership and teacher job performance satisfaction at school level in Lahore. Relationship tell us about which research design I opt correlation, right? Study on transactional leadership, right? Transactional leadership and teacher job performance. These are those variable interest and relationship tell about what type of research design I choose, correlation, and where I could collect my data, would collect at school levels in Lahore, right? And in the same way, the next example, the effect of servant leadership, I will check about the effect, what is the effect of the study of variable servant leadership or employee engagement. These are my variable of interest. And where should I would collect my data? Technical Institute of Pakistan, right? So these things clear. If I will write only about servant leadership on employee engagement, what you are doing? I do not know. Either you are doing a qualitative search, quantitative search, uh, causal comparative search, correlation search. How do I know which research trend you are using for your search? So these three things are important. Another example, relationship between LMX, leader member exchange theory, and transformation leadership in higher education institute of Dhaka. Right? Relationship already tell us correlation, right? So these three things, as you know, very important. Research design tell about which research type you are using actually. Either correlation, causal comparative, experimental, descriptive, and so on. There are a lot of research types I will explain in the previous video. You can go and check out that. And variable of you just focus, students just focus on variable of interest I would repeat once again, variable of interest does not clarify your top thesis topic. Thesis topic required these three things. First, research design, second, variables of interest, and the third one is most important, population of research, where you should collect your data, right? So I hope you can understand, and if you are understand, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, as well as if you have any query related to thesis research, you could go and comment your problem and I will address in the next video. So stay connected. Don't forget to add these things in your thesis topic. See you soon. Bye bye.